Welcome to Tripura Info News Update.
বাইক শো প্রদর্শন
এরপরই রয়েছে স্কাউট এন্ড গার্ডস পাবে সালামি মঞ্চে সামনে দিয়ে এগিয়ে আসছে স্কাউট এন্ড গার্ডস প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে লিডার রঞ্জন সরকার। এর পেছনে এগিয়ে আসছে টিএসআর 15 ব্যাটালিয়ন উইমেন প্লাটুন। টিএসআর 15 ব্যাটালিয়ন উইমেন প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে উইমেন সাব ইন্সপেক্টর সুমিত্রা দেববর্মা। এর পেছনেই রয়েছে ওয়েস্ট ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যান প্লাটুন। ওয়েস্ট ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যান প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে সাব ইন্সপেক্টর পিন্টু বিশ্বাস। সালামি মঞ্চের সামনে ট্রাফিক পুলিশ প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে সাব ইন্সপেক্টর তপন দাস। এর পেছনেই ধীরে ধীরে এগিয়ে আসছে ফরেস্ট গার্ড প্লাটুন। ফরেস্ট গার্ড প্লাটুন নেতৃত্বে ফরেস্টার মরণ দাস। এর পেছনেই রয়েছে হোমগার্ড ম্যান প্লাটুন।
하이파는 가탄자 꺽타이 주다주다 하이파는 거무가샤 지리 하루 나름나리 지리 쫓들이누 클라이타이
nation as on this day, that is on 26th January, the Constitution of India adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 came into force and made India a sovereign, democratic republic committed to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Let me begin with the landmark steps taken towards peace and development in Tripura. On March 2nd, 2024, a historic tripartite agreement was signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura and Tripa Moksha. This agreement promises to address issues related to the indigenous people of Tripura. We also witnessed the successful resolution of insurgency issues. On September 5th, 2024, the Union and Tripura government signed a memorandum of settlement with the National Liberation Front of Tripura and the All Tripura Tiger Force, disbanding these groups and bringing peace. I am proud to say that my government is on the path of transformation. With the support of the central government and the dedication to our state leadership, we are witnessing progress in every sector from infrastructure to healthcare, education, agriculture and the welfare of all communities. I am also happy to say that my government has adopted state's emblem, marking a historic milestone in showcasing state's diverse culture and heritage. The state faced severe floods and landslides during August 2024 due to unprecedented rainfall. Tragically, 38 lives were lost and about 3.7 lakh people were evacuated. I extend my heartfelt condolence to the members of the bereaved families. In agriculture sector, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 32.93 crores was contributed. Through PM Kishan, 790.53 crores were credited to 2.76 lakh farmers' bank accounts. Under National Mission for Edible Oil, 1,878 hectares were brought under palm oil cultivation, benefiting 1,861 farmers. Encourages female literacy and is committed to providing higher education opportunities to girls. With this aim, Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana was launched to provide free scooty to meritorious college-going female students. My government has approved the setting up of a private open university. Additionally, 3 new private universities have started academic activities in the state to enhance the scope of higher education in the state. The Prime Minister's internship scheme, launched on December 2024, aims to enhance youth employability with internship opportunities in top companies. Additionally, the PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme will ensure financial support for students pursuing higher education. My government has included 27 additional schools under the coverage of Pradhan Mantri Schools for Raising India during the year 2024-25. My government aims to improve medical education in the state. In 2024-25, 3 PG seats were added. An organ transplantation facility has been started at AGMC and GBP Hospital. TMC and Brahma Teaching Hospital added 23 rooms and 20 ICU beds, opened a 30-bedded dialysis unit. At Agartala Government Dental College, increased 13 seats under economically weaker section category for 2024-5 and 26. Tripura Shantinikesan Medical College was established with 150 seats. Brahma Nursing School is being upgraded to Nursing College and Tripura Sundari College of Nursing started. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jana Arogya Yojana now covers senior citizens aged 70 years and above with health coverage up to rupees 5 lakhs. My government has given importance in achieving sustainable goals by developing infrastructure and improving road connectivity in the state. With this aim in mind, 132 kilometers of roads have been strengthened and 875 kilometers of roads have been maintained during the year. Representatives and functionaries were trained. My government has undertaken 65 projects under the Smart City Mission, amounting to 58.1 crore, of which 60 projects have been completed. The state is also implementing the Northeastern Regional Power System Improved Project through the World Bank funded project with an investment of rupees 1,800 crore for developing a robust power transmission network in the state. Under PM Janman, rupees 69 crores has been sanctioned by the central government for the electrification of the PVGT households in Tripura state. In addition, the Prime Minister Surya Ghar Mufti Bijli Yojana, launched in February 2024, will provide free electricity to consumers. My government has notified a new policy, namely Vehicle Scrapping Policy of Tripura 2024, to remove pollution causing older vehicles from the road, under which special assistance shall be extended in the form of tax concession and grant of a one-time waiver of pending liability. On old vehicles scrapped at registered vehicle scrapping facility for at least 2 years. To stimulate industries and service sectors and induce inclusive economic growth, my government has notified the new industrial policy of Tripura this year. The Investment Promotion Agency of Tripura has been set up as the sole point of contact for business setup and investment promotion. My government has been honored with the prestigious Top Achiever Award in 3 categories for implementing Business Reform Action Plan 2022 reforms at the Udyog Samagam 2024. Collaboration with Tata Technologies Limited, we are upgrading 19 industrial training institutes to Industry 4.0 standards, bridging skills gaps and enhancing employability. Under PM Vishwakarma, 7,523 persons have been completed basic training. Under the newly launched Chief Minister's Tribal Weavers Development Program, 12,000 traditional tribal women weavers have been provided with cotton yarn during 2024-25 for the production of handloom fabrics. My government has notified the Tripura Startup Policy 2024, under which the unemployed youth of the state can avail of benefits of rupees 2 lakhs in seed funding, rupees 20,000 monthly operational cost reimbursement with additional benefits for women-led and Divyangan-led startups. To increase the tourism prospects of Tripura, my government has inaugurated a host of projects to boost tourist attractiveness. These projects include the waterfront development project at Jagannath Diggi, new tourist facilities at Surmachara, Kamlapur and Neer Mahal, and laser and light show at Krishna Sagar Diggi. Government of India has selected Alpana Gram Lankapmura as one of the best tourist villages in the community-based tourism category in 2024. Development has been a priority. The central government has sanctioned rupees 2,800 crores for key road projects in Tripura, including the Agartala Eastern Bypass and the Amtali to Tripura Sundari Temple Road, improving connectivity across the state. On 15th August 2019, the Honorable Prime Minister made an iconic announcement to provide a functional household tap connection to every rural household under Har Ghar Nal Se Jal, under Jal Jeevan Mission. My government has provided a total of 6,32,387 households, that is 84.27% of rural households with the functional household tap connections. 2,102,000 Gram Panchayats, village councils have achieved 100% drinking water connection. The Dalai district has been conferred as the winner in the Northeastern Zone in the Best District category of the 5th National Water Awards 2023. Committed to providing housing for all, my government has completed the construction of 1,08,703 houses under PAMI scheme in 2023-24. Under the Sampurnata Abhiyan, Tripura has achieved 100% saturation in 6 key indicators. My government achieved a milestone by securing 7 awards under the National Panchayat Award 2024. Gomati district received the Best District Award, Amarpur block won 2nd Best block, and Manubangul won Best Women Friendly Panchayat. Thakachandra Gram Panchayat was awarded second best green Urja Panchayat. Debari Gram Panchayat received the third best in water sufficient category. Rajkang won third best child friendly Panchayat and Varchara Gram Panchayat won third best poverty free Panchayat. My government plans to set up 111 additional model schools, model village under Chief Minister Model Village Scheme. 361 Panchayat executive officers were appointed to enhance the effectiveness of the PRI system. With disabilities, the introduction of the Tripura State Policy for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities in 2024 has been a landmark step in this direction. My government has also made significant progress in the development of infrastructure facilities for the mother and children. 77 new Anganwadi centers were operationalized in tribal areas under PM Janma. 200 Anganwadi centers in the Talai district were upgraded with modern amenities to ensure better learning environments and health facilities. Under the various central and state special social pension schemes, my government is providing financial assistance to 4.08 lakh beneficiaries with an annual expenditure of 800 crore. To protect farmers from distress sale, my government started the procurement of paddy at minimum support price directly from farmers. The group families displaced from Mizoram and resettled in Tripura have been brought under ambit of the targeted public distribution system, ensuring their food and nutritional security. My government has taken initiative to transform 600 fair price shops into model fair price shops involving upgradation of outlook and infrastructure, ensuring basic amenities and introducing value-added services. The foundation stone of the project for a new Indian Oil Corporation depot laid by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji at Shakarpur with an investment of rupees 650 crore is on the verge of completion. My government has achieved commendable success in improving the law and order situation in the state. My government has initiated the recruitment process for 916 constables and 218 sub-inspectors, providing jobs to unemployed youth in the state. Apart from this, enlistment of 6,067 special executives in the police department is in the process. To improve welfare, my government has enhanced the ration money allowance and annual dress allowance for Tripura State Rifle personnel up to the rank of Subedar and police personnel up to the rank of Inspector. The monthly honorarium for special force officers, special police officers has been increased to 12,000 and that for special executive increased to 13,000. The wages of Home Guard personnel have been raised to 20,097 per month. Under Mukhyamantri Shah Shramik Kalyan Prakalpa, my government has allotted 53.72 crore acres of land to 1,343 work. Government has also taken up different tourism infrastructure development works under extremely externally aided projects through Asian Development Bank funding at 6 places with a total fund involvement of rupees 180 crores. The initiative has been taken to introduce houseboats at Dambur Lake to provide the amenities to the tourists as are provided in Kerala, Goa and Kashmir. The union government sanctioned 97.7 crore for the development of the Shaktipeeth Park in Bandur, which will boost tourism and contribute to our cultural heritage. Tripura Forest Development successfully conducted a mass planting program wherein about 6,21,581 saplings were planted in 5 minutes. The socio-economic, educational and cultural development of scheduled tribes has been a top priority of my government. My government has enhanced the pre-matric scholarships. Financial support has been given to 11,294 students under free textbook scheme. Special coaching has been provided to 10,122 boarders under Mukhyamantri Janajati Vikas Yojana of Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission. Under Dharti Aba Janajatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan, a coordinated approach and convergence of various governments of India schemes ensure the holistic growth and empowerment of tribal communities. My government is working with a vision for socio-economic development of the scheduled caste population of the state. Under Prime Minister Anusuchit Jati Abhiyan Yojana, 1915 beneficiaries have been benefited in the income generation component and 60 projects have been taken up with the infrastructure development component during the current financial year. With a view to uplift the OBC population of the state, my government has provided pre-matric scholarship to 21,733 students, post-matric scholarship to 20,594 students, Dr. Ambedkar Merit Award to 2,148 students. Also, one-time financial support for academically weaker meritorious students has been provided to 172 students. My government has remained committed to the holistic
Rungstirnai Rabbai Baksha, Rungstirnai Jibrati Dahidu, Kedang Mahan Baini, Yapudi Ramja, Shaslok Sirnai Jibrati, Hamarite Khabatarnai Dahi, Kishuri Utkarsha Mancho, Balika Mancho, Kastor Bagandi Balika Raksnamo, Ashkamando, Belai Mubarak Sakna. Srinai Prati Shabai Kalmagagi, Self-Defense Training Regime by Shaikir Bakman. They Ababai Raksha.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.